Today I'll show you beginner-friendly platforms that use AI and automation to help you trade smarter, even if you're just starting out. If you're a complete beginner, this is where most people start, eToro. It's designed to feel more like a social app than a trading platform. You don't need advanced knowledge and you don't need to guess what to buy. Why is beginner-friendly? You can open a demo account in minutes and practice with virtual money. The interface is clean, simple, and not overwhelming. And most importantly, you can trade real stocks, ETFs, and more. The standout feature is Copy Trader. You literally choose a top performing trader, click copy, and your account mirrors their trades automatically. It's like having someone more experienced trading for you in real time. Next is TradingView, one of the most popular platforms for analyzing stocks. This is where you actually understand what's happening in the market. Why is beginner friendly? There's free version, tons of tutorials, and a massive community. You can look at stock charts, ideas, and strategies shared by other traders. You can track and analyze stocks, indices, ETFs, and more. TradingView has smart pattern recognition tools that highlight potential setups automatically. You can also use custom indicators and connect alerts to automated bots. Think of it as your AI-powered radar for finding trading opportunities. Now, if you want actual bots doing trades for you, Pionix is a great starting point. But here's the reality. Pionix is mainly focused on crypto. Why is beginner friendly? No coding needed. Bots are already built in. You just pick a strategy and start. You can literally activate a bot in a few clicks and let it run 24/7. Finally, Crypto Hopper. This one gives you more control, but still stays beginner friendly. You can test everything with paper trading before risking real money, and you don't need programming skills. Again, mainly crypto focus. In Crypto Hopper, you're not just using a bot, you're building your own trading system. So if you want to trade with stocks with AI, the best beginner setup looks like this. Use eToro to invest and copy traders. Use TradingView to analyze stocks and get signals. Optionally, use bots to automate strategies. And the goal isn't to replace your brain with AI. It's to use AI to make better decisions. Subscribe for more easy trading tutorials and thank you for watching.